Do you have powdered milk at home? Then make this candy with just 3 ingredients. Let's start by adding a cup of powdered milk to a bowl. Next, we'll gradually add condensed milk. I used about 100 grams. Remember, I used whole condensed milk. It'll help set much easier. If you don't have it, use semi-skimmed instead. Now mix with your hands until it's just right. Add condensed milk slowly until perfect consistency. Just keep mixing. Keep mixing. Now the dough is at the ideal consistency. Take a small amount and start shaping it. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Set it aside for now. In a pan, I'll make the syrup that makes this treat special. Add a cup of sugar, half cup water, 2 tablespoons vinegar. Once done, let's give it a quick stir. Then turn off the heat and let it reach this point. That's the caramel stage. If you drop it in water now, wait till it's firm. That's the ideal consistency. It should break in your hand or mouth. It shouldn't be sticky. All set. Now let's get our sweet treat. We'll coat it in this syrup. Repeat with the rest. Place on a greased plate to prevent sticking. And wait for it to cool. Now folks, it's time to enjoy. See how amazing this Bahian milk candy looks. Try making it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Another recipe from Pobre da Cozinha. A big hug to you all. Until next time. Thanks.